This video, I will let you know how you can migrate your website on the same server. I mean, you are on the same server, but you want to migrate your website. Okay. For example, this is a staging website which is redesigned, and this is the main website, which is old version of the website. So now I want to migrate this data over this, domain. Okay, and but these both are on same server. So how you can quickly do that? So this is very simple. You just need to go into your hosting account. For example, I'm using Bluehost. You can use any other hosting you have. You just need to go into the control panel of the hosting provider. So if you have any hosting provider, you must have the control panel, because within control panel you can handle everything. Okay, here you just need to go into the file manager. Here you just need to navigate the websites. For example, this is the renew Arabic face, because this one is the website which is newly migrated or generated. Okay, so this is the public HTML, which is you can say our old website. So what you need to do, we need to create a backup of our public HTML or our old domain. So now we just need to create a folder here, and here I'll just make a folder. I say backup. Okay, so here I will create the folder that is backup. So here we just need to select all and deselect the backup folder, and just copy, and here just slash backup. So what it will do, it will copy all the data into our backup folder. So you just need to wait a few seconds until this refresh, and you will see in the backup folder we will have our backup. Now you can see in the backup folder we have all the data of our public HTML directory. So you just need to go back and just click here and select all. So sorry, select all and deselect this one, and remove all these files here, because we don't need that. So just click on delete and just click on confirm. So everything is deleted from the public HTML. Now you need to go into the renew, and here from all of these you just need to select all of these and move or copy into our public HTML. So here you just need to go here, and here you just need to copy these into our public HTML. So here I just select copy files. So what it will do, it will copy all the this directory or subdomain files and folders into our public HTML folder. Now you can see all the files are here into the public HTML folder, as well as we have the backup. Okay, so what we need to do is we just need to go into our file manager again, and here we just need to go in and click on PHP MyAdmin. Now in the PHP MyAdmin we just need to update the domain, because we have migrated over this. Okay, so because this is the old domain, so we need to change it. Okay, so here in the public HTML you see in the databases, you just need to navigate which database is being used here. So here you just need to go into the public wp config, and here you just need to view the wp config file. So this is wp 717. Okay, so we just go back, and here this is the database that is being used. And here you just need to go and find our WP options. So this is the options table. So in the table you just need to click here, and here you can see this is our old domain. So we just need to replace with the our current domain. Okay, or the main domain. Okay, and here is, so I will just paste our domain here. Okay, again if you click here you just need to paste our domain. So what it will do, it will update the URL in the database. So if you refresh this, you will see all the new things will be happening here. So I just refresh here, Now you can see everything is migrated over main domain successfully. You can see there is a main domain and everything is successfully moved here. So this is how you can move your data over your main domain. So now the last thing you need to do is you need to replace the urls in your WordPress dashboard as well as. So for that you need to go into your WordPress dashboard, and in that WordPress dashboard you just need to go into the plugins and click on add new. So in the plugins you just need to install a plugin which is called Velvet. So this plugin will basically change or update the urls, and this is the plugin that you need to install. So update urls and just click on install and activate this plugin. Now after installing and activating, you just need to go here, update urls, and here you just need to search for and replace with. Okay, so here we just need to do that, search here and search for and replace with. Okay, so this will search our old link and replace with. Okay, so you just need to check all of these as well as, and here just click on update urls. So what it will do, it will update our urls. You can see 48 contents and 158 attachments urls has been updated. So if you go and visit our website, so this will load all the images properly. Sometime when you migrate over your domain, it will not load the images properly. So after updating the urls, your images and everything will work correctly. So this is how you can migrate your renewed or directory website or your website on the same server. You can easily migrate without any plugin. So this is a very quick and easy tutorial. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much.